Hey YouTube, it's me here, and today we're going to do a bolt action sniper war, and with my friends. Well, not really my friends, but just some random people. One of them said they were in the hangar, so don't know why they said that, but oh, that's the freaking factory over there. Oh, did I just see them? Oh, that's where they are. You serious? Okay, there should be somewhere. They're around here. Shit, there's someone here. He's here. One of them's here. Oh, I got one. Oh, what the fudge? Yeah.
Are you serious? Oh, what the fuck? Why am I here?
What the hell?
What the fuck? I'm here. Huh?
Yeah.
This messed up
Yeah, boy. You're getting wrecked.
because of lag. My bullets aren't doing shit.
Dude, I'm recording and I'm lagging. And I'm wasting
You're
you.
not lagging at all.
Oh, freaking gosh.
This is bullshit. My bullets aren't doing anything. Actually, at least about time. Are you sure you didn't take them to fucking... What the hell?
Oh.
There we go.
Oh! Oh, you got owned. Oh, frick, yeah. I killed both of you. Yeah, baby. Huh. Well, that was so awesome. Dude, you're such a fail.
No, are you serious? Are you gonna be that dumb?
Hey! Your stuff is down there! Your stuff is down there, you cheater.
Yeah, he tried to shoot.
Go away, you
No,
cheater.
he tricked me.
Otherwise I'll ban you. I'll make him ban you.
Oh no, he won't do that. Where's my stuff you said?
It's down there in the bag!
Where? I don't
Behind
see it.
you, idiot!
I cannot see it. Where is it?
It's down there. What the hell? You serious? Okay, so that's it, YouTube.